Hello everyone, this is Mark from Custom Quota. So I want to give you a really quick overview. I'm going to try and get it within 3 minutes and show you the main parts of the system, but obviously it will do a lot more. So once you've come into the jobs area, you can come here, see all your jobs. You can see when you've sent out a quote, whether it's been read. You can see when it becomes, from estimate to quote, and when it becomes an invoice. So you get a summary on that page, but here you get everything for the particular job here. So you've got the details, you've got what you've done, costs, whether money's been paid. So here you've got your payments, so you'll see all your payments. You've got your sheets, so any job sheets that you create within the system, you can add that specifically to a job. I will explain each part afterwards. Documents, so any health and safety documents, contracts or anything, you can add to the job. Files, you can upload images, you can upload videos so that you can see what's been done, or before you go to do something, what needs to be done. You've got all the notes that you need to put for the job. You've got your timeline, so everything that you do, as and when you do any of these things, add anything, it will automatically come into the timeline of the job. If you're an electrician, gas engineer, plumber, and you do certifications for people, and you have to, by law, store your certifications for 5 years, that will all store here, so you'll have everything. So all the images, everything will be here. Tasks, these are tasks that you can set for your team so that they can look up specific to this job what needs to be done. And timesheets, that's all the time that's been spent for the job. But so if I take you through to, so this is an existing job that I've made, but you can open up to send out a new job. So you can see this actually hasn't been sent, but once you send it, it will come up as sent. So here you've got add products. So if you want a calculated product, which is what the system does, so it can calculate the cost of any single job that you do. And you can create these forms here to exactly what you want. So you've got all these different elements, pointing style, sealer, slab type, but you can add and change whatever you want with this to make it bespoke to your business. And so here you can see automatically it calculates a price, tells you every element that you need for that job, what materials you need, so that you can buy everything and have everything from there. Then you just add it into a quote. So you can send that, you can have other different calculations, or you can have non-calculated products in here that you've got all your individual products, or you can just add an item and that's an individual item if you want, or you can take from previously. So that's that on a brief note. So here scheduling, you've got your calendar, you've got what you've got in the calendar, so you can edit that. You can drag and drop if you need to change it. If you want to open a new calendar, and I'm going really fast, but you've got all your clients, you can have the jobs selected for those clients, what colleagues you want, when you want to set these. If it's a recurring schedule, so you do maintenance, you need to go every month or every 6 weeks, you can set that here. And here you've got your color codes, so you can choose what jobs can be color coded, so when you open the map you can see what it does, and vice versa. Here you've got tasks, so you can set tasks to specific colleagues, tell them what you want, they can mark it as complete or incomplete, they can upload images and videos. So here you've got certificates. So if I quickly run you through a certificate, let's just say here, so you've got your certificate, select the client, it will automatically pull their details, you have what certificates you need, and then the client can automatically sign it from any screen and show you. So you've got all your documents that you can create inside the system. So you can create any form of tender document, health and safety document. So automatically you can reuse those over and over without having to do more. So here you've got your apps. Inside your apps, you've got QuickBooks, you've got Xero, you've got Stripe, you've got PayPal. You can pull all your clients into the system. Access control allows different, you can set different access to different members of what they can and can't see. So calendar presets is just your colors and stuff, your general details, or your colors for the calendar. So job sheets, you can create any type of job sheet you want. So does it have side access? Do you need a skip? Do you need this? You can also price from the job sheet itself. Certificates is all for electricians, gas engineers and plumbers. Maps, you can see your team on the maps, where they are, where your clients are, if you've got an emergency to be able to find. Timeline is a timeline of everything done on the system. Templates is you can create professional tender documents, so you can add your covering PDF, your closing PDF with your branding on it. You can create full written out documents and then send out a quote. Mailbox, we've built an SMTP relay, so you can add in your SMTP details, so that way everything that you send out of the system comes direct out of your email and doesn't go into people's spam. So that's a really quick brief. It's been probably longer than I said, but quick brief explanation of this, of what the system does and what it can do for your business. But please, if you need anything, just get in touch with us and we can give you a full demo. That's Mark from Custom Quota, the most powerful tool on your van.